Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. So today I have a JBL Clip 4 Ultra Portable Bluetooth speaker. So it looks good, man. It comes in multiple colors and multiple color combinations also. Nice. Small speaker but powerful. It's small but powerful speaker. JBL Clip 4. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Speaker. Nice. Nice. And I think must be a yes. Got it. Got it, man. Got it. Okay. So this is Type C cable and some quick start guide. Safety sheet, warranty card, these kind of stuff. Okay. So good, man. So this speaker is like, it's extremely durable, easy to use design. JBL Clip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. So it gives JBL Pro sound with rich audio and punchy bass. You guys can wirelessly stream music from your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth enabled devices. IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so you can bring your speaker anywhere, like you can say like in the pool, on the beach. No worry for the rain, water, or any kind of spills. So this speaker can submerge in water in 3 feet for up to 30 minutes. That's nice. And the battery life is 10 hours and the charging time is only 3 hours. That's nice. Okay, so it's time to listen to music and check the performance of this small but powerful Bluetooth speaker. So it's time to listen to music and check the performance of this small but powerful Bluetooth speaker, JBL Clip 4. Single press. Okay. Let's see the performance.
myself, trying to figure ways to use your voice stuck in my brain. We never got to see it through, and I know I feel more pain if we're speaking truth. 'Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. 'Cause when the daylight comes, I still lose. So will I feel it again? I just don't know. And I'm hoping I find a way to let go. So if you love me, how could you leave me so low? So will I feel it again? I just don't know. I just don't know.